Hello everybody, my name is Nivar Nizar and I'm in grade 7A. Today I'll be explaining my project, which is about a smart house. So my smart house has renewable energy that gets its energy from the solar panels. When the sun hits the solar panels, energy will be made and will transfer to the battery. It also has a rain collection system. So whenever it rains, the rainwater will go into this tank. True, the rainwater isn't clean, but it can be used for many different things. For example, laundry or gardening. It also has a fire detection system. So whenever there's a fire, the alarm will go off. This is great for home safety. It also has smart lights. So whenever there's something walking by at night, it will turn on. This is great for home safety too. So whenever you're outside and it's dark, you go by it and it turns on. For example, this was all about my smart house. I hope every house in Kurdistan turns into a smart house. Thank you for listening.